In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons on your Shopify store. Having visible payment icons like credit cards and digital wallets helps build trust with your customers. It shows them at a glance which payment methods you accept and can improve your conversion rate. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can turn these icons on in your theme footer and make sure they display correctly. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you are in the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Online Store and click on it. This section controls how your storefront looks and feels. When you open it, you'll see a list of your themes and some customization options. Next, find the theme you're currently using. This will usually be marked as your current theme. To change how it looks, click on the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually edit different parts of your store without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, you'll see a preview of your store in the middle and a sidebar with sections on the left. Scroll down through that list of sections until you find the footer section, then click on it. The footer is the area at the bottom of every page, and that's where Shopify usually displays payment method icons. Once you've clicked into the footer settings, look carefully at the options on the left-hand side. You should see a setting or toggle related to payment method icons. Turn this toggle on. When it's enabled, Shopify will automatically show the icons for the payment methods you have set up in your store's payment settings, such as major credit cards or other gateways. As you switch it on, check the live preview on the right. You should see the payment icons appear in the footer area. If you don't see anything yet, make sure you have at least one payment provider activated in your Shopify payment settings. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This step is important because your changes won't go live until you save them. After saving, click the option to view your store or open your storefront in a new tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you should now see your payment icons displayed clearly in the footer.